Max Upper Detailing. Gonna be doing a two-step buff and polish on or paint correction on a skid steer. So we're gonna be utilizing a wool pad. It's a 3M wool pad with the 3M quick disconnect on there. I'll see about putting links for the products in the description. But yeah, we're gonna get straight to it. We gotta go ahead, switch sides. The compounds that we are using is 3M 3660 or 36060. It's a heavier cutting compound, so gonna do that with the initial cut. Then still utilizing a wool pad, seeing as this is a heavier paint, you know, due to it being construction equipment. But we're gonna follow it up with the 3M 06094 polish. Just get that fine air shine. Here to there. So we're gonna do the boomers first, and then we're gonna follow up with the rest of it. So stay tuned for the afters. Now you can end it. This is the end result. And it's the 3M Perfected. Went from that, well, that was the end result. This is the next one we're doing. So yeah, significant difference, I'd say. Especially once we take her outside. So the main concern for the customer was all this blue paint that was on here too. So the buffer is not gonna get this out. Utilizing like an acetone to get it out. We'd just be here all day. So we're gonna hit it with a 2500 grit, just get the remaining of this sandpaper off. And with that compound that we are using, it's going to get all those marks out. So again, we're just trying to take off the paint that's here on the surface. So you don't really need to go any less than 2000.